And the eyedropper and paintbrush are interesting because what you can do is if you go in and customize a layout, let's say we go in here and customize what this one looks like, and let's make it 85% with a frame. Make the frame color red. And then let's say I want to apply that cell style to this frame. I can literally go in and say eyedropper, pick up the properties of that one, paintbrush onto that one. Now this cell style happens to be in the buffer now, so if I go to pencil, I can draw in some more cells and they will take on the attribute of that buffer. And then the last thing to look at is the eye. Here is kind of like a preview for what it will look like on the output. Now if we want to actually see what the output looks like, here's the Multiviewer output, and we can see that everything's in real time and everything is looking how we wanted it to look. Now the last thing to notice when we're drawing cells in is you can select the source here on this pull down. So if I want this to be input 8 and I want this to be input 5, I can just select them from here. And then let's make this one be input 1. And we'll draw a small cell here, and here. So the input selection for the video source is done with this pull down. And the final thing to notice is that the thumbnails are represented here in the preview while I'm creating it. Remember, on the live output, it's actually showing live pictures. But while I'm authoring it in the web interface, I get a representation from the thumbnail to help me decide what source that is and what it looks like.